Alright, I'm going to show y'all how to fix a hanging feeder. I had two of them that one of the rivets popped out, and then I had one where the rivets broke, or not the rivets broke, sorry, the metal tab that holds it down broke. So I'll show you how I did it to fix it, and it worked so far. So it's a cheap little fix that you can fix it where you don't have to go and buy another one. Because I paid, I think it was like $21.50 for my 15-pound feeder, hanging feeder at Tractor Supply. So I'm gonna show you how to fix it. And I went to Home Depot and bought what is it, 2 packs. It's the Everbuilt eye bolts. They're the 1/4 inch 20 by 4 inch. I bought what was it, here's a pack of 2, so I bought, I think it was 1, 2, 3, I think it was like 3 packs that I bought. Then I bought what is it, Create bolt nut and washers and locking washers. It's a 30 piece. I ended up buying a pack of those. You're gonna need a, what is it, a 15 by 64 drill bit. The drill 3 holes in the bottom pan, and everything, and I'll flip you around to show you what I'm talking about. This is the metal pan that goes on the bottom. I drilled 3 holes in between where the rivets go. Then I took the eye bolts and I just bent the eye bolts out to form like a little hook. But these are the packs that I bought. These are the nuts and washers that I bought. But all you're gonna need is 3 locking washers, and you're gonna need 6 of those nuts. Let me get another one out of here, because I put, and I'll show you how I actually stick them together. I'm gonna try the best I can with one hand to show you how to do it. All right, let's see. All right, so this is the pan. I like to run mine. Once you actually do it, you can always take it out of the hole and move it up to the top one, but you'll probably need a longer eye bolt to do so, or rig it up a little bit different. I used the second hole. Let's see, sorry, but I just stick that from the inside. And sorry, the video is going to be probably long, but hold on up. I'm going to get back to you. I'm going to pause it, go ahead and put this together, and I'll show you what it looks like for the next step, and then show you the next step from there. Alright, I already got the eye bolts through there, through the bottom, or through the inside part. I'll turn that one. But that's how they're gonna look from on the inside. And then they're just gonna hang down just like that. And I went ahead and put one of the nuts on all 3 of them. And then it's gonna have a lock and washer that's gonna go on the bottom of that. and then you're gonna go ahead and stick them through the hole on this pan from the inside. And then when you flip it over on this bottom side, then you're just going to go ahead and stick one of these little nuts on the bottom side and tighten it down and everything. And I'll show you what that looks like once I get it put together. Alright, I'm back now. Now I'm going to show you pretty much what it looks like now, since I got the bolts and the washers and the eye bolts attached to the actual bottom piece of the hanging feeder. And it's a simple fix. Depending on where you live, I live in Walnut Hill, but the closest hardware store, which is like what is it, Home Depot, and that's where I bought this stuff at, is in Pensacola. So that's where I went. So depending on where you go to get it, the price may vary. I want to say I spent around $10 for the parts to fix it, versus going to spend another $21.50 plus tax to buy another feeder, when there's nothing wrong with this feeder. It has a little surface rust, and yes, the little pins that attach to the little spring things broke. So I fixed it, which I can't just automatically just change it to the height. I would have to actually take the eye bolts loose and stick it in another hole to actually do it, and everything. But I only use this one little setting, and it works fine with what I'm using it for, my chickens. So that's the setting that I'm gonna just keep it at. So I'm gonna turn it around and let you see it, and then I'm gonna end the video. Alright, this is what it looks like when it's done. It's pretty solid, like the pieces does not come undone. And seeing the other bolt sits down there with the little lock-in washer on it. The nut, I meant, with the lock-in washer. Here's the bottom with the nuts attached to it. To make it easier to attach the bottom to the actual cylinder part, I recommend turning the feeder upside down like this. Detach it. It makes it a lot easier to actually do it. But yeah, that's a simple, pretty much fix of how to fix your galvanized chicken feeder. So you don't have to go buy another one. It's pretty cheap to fix it. Alright, thanks for watching.